The flu shot's effectiveness seems to be holding strong, at least anecdotally. Still, though, there's a long way to go until the end of this flu season.
For the moment, health leaders are still concerned with sky-high case counts so early this season, coupled with hospital visits in Kansas City. Fox 4's Jacob Kittelstadt joins us now. He's live from one vaccination clinic that's in the Northland, sponsored by Kansas City's health department. And Jake, health leaders say this is one of the earliest peaks to flu season that they've seen in a long time.
Well, that's right, Christelle, and it's been particularly hard on children as well as older adults. That's why there's been this encouragement for people to get flu shots, particularly during this high time of spread in our area. Getting his flu shot, Steve Crossley is here with his 94-year-old mother-in-law.
Yeah. Did she need convincing, or did she say?
No, she's been dragging me up here, so
Yeah.
she's late getting hers. She usually gets it before Thanksgiving. I never used to get the flu shots when I was younger, but since I turned 60, I started getting them.
This graph, provided by the Kansas City Department of Health, shows this year's flu cases, represented by the purple line. Recorded cases approach 2,000, a number coming from hospitals with lab confirmation. The figure likely shows the most serious cases, with Kansas City Director of Health, Dr. Marvia Jones, saying the reality is that the flu is much more widespread.
For the first time in about 5 years, we've had a peak as early as we've had. It's gone higher than it's been in the past 5 years. We see it obviously earlier than usual and just many more cases. There seem to be more severe symptoms in younger children this year. Chills, fever, high temperatures, body aches and fatigue.
Coughing, sore throats, and with current strains, even vomiting is a common complaint. Local health experts advise that flu shots are an important way to protect yourself. Crossley says the illness has already taken his grandkids out of commission at different times.
Well, they've been sick. All of them have been, so it's going around, and it just, I'll take my chances.
And as for the effectiveness of this year's flu shot, again, anecdotally, it's looking pretty good, but there's not going to be any hard data on that until at least January. Influenza A, though, is appearing to be the dominant strain as confirmed by local lab testing. Christelle.